What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today is literally the last full day of pre-orders for the Galaxy S25 Ultra phone. The phone is fantastic. Don't listen that it's not a huge upgrade and versus this phone or that phone. The phone is fantastic. It's a great phone. Now, with that said, what do you get if you do pre-order? Because it's, again, the very last full day of pre-orders. Well, you can get the Galaxy S25 Ultra with free storage upgrades. Same thing with the S25, S25 Plus. You'll also get free pre-order gifts. Anything from, you can get 2 years of free insurance. So if your phone breaks, you get Samsung Care Plus for free. You get reduced prices on their buds, their watch, which I have here. I love this watch. This is the Galaxy Watch 7. I will be doing a video on it. It's a great watch. I'm so glad I got it. Not perfect, but I do like the watch a lot. You can also get credits as well. So if you don't do the 2 years of free insurance, you can use those credits that would have gone towards that and get, again, either free or reduced cases, accessories, a tablet, things like that. So you can use extra money, extra gift money that they're giving you with the pre-order to take advantage of that. But then also remember, you're getting the S25 Ultra, which I will probably put down that's probably going to get phone of the year. I've said it multiple times by a lot of people, not just me. I think more times than not, that phone will be the phone to get of the year. Continuing on with that though, remember you get the free gifts, and then the delivery dates are really, really quick. Now the exclusive colors are into March, but if you just want one of the other colors, they'll get delivered as early as less than a week. So take a look at it. Even if you're on the fence, they got great trade-in offers, great free gifts, and then an amazing phone, guys. I'm not saying that just so you buy it through my link. I'm literally saying that because I've been using this phone, and I wish it was folding because I love folding phones. But if I was a candy bar guy, that would be the phone I would use for sure. The build quality, the screen, the speakers are insane. Watch my video from earlier today. You'll learn more about it there. But let's continue on with the news though. Samsung's VR or AR headset, AR, VR headset, XR headset, whatever you want to call it, looks like it has a name. It's going to be called Samsung Galaxy Beyond. I love this name. This is finally one of the names that I actually like from one of their new products. Samsung Galaxy Beyond. I like it because it makes me think of all the things that it can do. It brings you beyond reality. It brings you beyond your surroundings. It brings you beyond anything that you can imagine. Like, you can play with that word in a million different ways. I love the name. I think it's a badass name. Great name. Good job, Samsung. Very much looking forward to this product. Hoping it's less than $1,500. I'm hoping it's really like $999. Obviously, I'd want it to be cheaper, don't get me wrong. But is it gonna be $999? Probably not. I think it's gonna be somewhere between, I think it'll be less than $2,000. I think it'll come out at $1999. When I see the Apple Vision Pro, which I barely ever use, I used it a little bit last night, and I just can't fully get into it. There's the apps that I really want to use just aren't on there. But regardless, it looks amazing. Like when I'm looking through that and I'm looking at a game or a video or an app and just read it, it's so clear and amazing. I hope this is like that. I've heard it kind of is because MKBHD did a video on it. It looks awesome. Really looking forward to the Samsung Galaxy Beyond. Now, what happens if you lose or break your Samsung Galaxy S Pen for your S25 Ultra? Can you buy one? Yes, you can. I'll link it down below. And you can also, you know what the price is. It's gonna be $44.99, so 45 bucks for it. And that's the cost of the replacement on this. You theoretically can use the phone without it, but what ends up happening is you're gonna end up getting notifications on it saying, hey, your S Pen's missing, your S Pen's missing on the phone. It gets to be a bit of a burden and a little bit of annoyance to it. But beyond that, yeah, you can buy a replacement directly from Samsung, and it's about 45 bucks. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you find to be an accessory that you always buy every time a phone launches, but it can't be glass and it can't be a case. What's something you buy a lot when the new phone comes out? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace. Peace.